A runner trial from Makhel to Makuiluangdi. They reach a venue, Makuiluangdi. These are national, international runners.
Where is the problem, man?
Remove your jacket. Leave it. I think yeah. Remove your jacket.
They're running from Makhel to Dubi until Makuiluangdi hologram. This is about 60 kilometers by foot. They are running.
Brother Tui.
This is
Okay. Finally, we are here. We have started the great trail run from Makhel to Makuiluangdi. It was a long, arduous route. Started at 6:30 in the morning, but we have finally reached our destination this evening. I want to thank you. I congratulate all of you who ran. It is a great way of celebrating. Yeah, the cyclists, the riders, the bikers, all who participated in this. It's a grand occasion to each one of us. It signifies our return to our native roots. Return on the native. Yes.
finally we got fire in our. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Okay. Please sit there. We feel sorry anyway, but you made it.
This is a bike rider. They reach.
No, all alone.